Hello viewers, welcome to my channel TechPech. In this tutorial I will show you how to change account username on Windows 10. So keep watching the full video. First come to the Windows search bar and type here control panel. Click on the control panel. Then click user accounts. Again click on user accounts. In the right side you can see biplob PC. I will change the name biplob PC to biplob shill. So click on change your account name. Here I will write my name. Then click change name. Now you can see the old name biplob PC is changed to biplob shill. By this method you can also change the name. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the bell button.